Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you about SaaS procurements and renewals and how you walk into a negotiation holding the upper hand. Because most teams walk in at a disadvantage. They bring a benchmark and the vendor's already got an answer for it. So, let me show you how Cloud Eagle turns your own usage and pricing data into leverage, right? So most procurement teams walk in with the benchmarking data, but the vendor has an exact same benchmark for them, right? So quoting them a market average won't get you a lower price. They'll just tell you why you are the exception. So to actually get a discount, you need a proof that the vendor can't really argue with. And that proof is actually your own data. It's not a market average, it's what's actually happening inside your own company. And there are five things you would want to know, right? So first is what the people are actually using, right down to the features, not just whether they have logged in. Second is the seats that sits unused, because those are the ones you can take back. Third is the people paying for a fancier plan than they actually need. Fourth is knowing when each contract is really up for renewal. And fifth is what companies like yours are actually paying, right? So you can just connect your stack once, and every renewal starts with all five on the table for you. So let me walk you through how Cloud Eagle builds each one of these. So it all starts with usage here. Most tools only tell you who logged in, but Cloud Eagle goes deeper and shows you what people are actually doing once they're inside the app. And that's how you tell which seats are worth paying for and which ones aren't. And it does it by pulling from over 500 plus integrations along with your SSOs, finance, and HR systems. And the more you connect, the clearer your picture is getting, right? So you can find the seats to cut before you renew instead of finding it out after. So let's go ahead and take an example here. So for Microsoft 365, this is what it looks like inside Cloud Eagle. As you can see, the activity is at like 94%, and you can exactly see who's using it and who isn't. Up top, you can also see the license harvesting is already running, and it's flagged 63 users who've been inactive for 90 days. And below that, every license is broken out: Exchange, Copilot, Defender, showing what you bought against what's actually being used. So this is your usage down to the single license, and it's the proof you bring to the renewals. So the first thing that this data lets you do is stop paying for seats nobody uses. And Cloud Eagle handles it in three steps. First, it detects the inactive seats and flags them automatically. Then, a weekly workflow reclaims them and pulls them back. And this one's the important part: it reassigns them to whoever actually needs one. So, every seat you reclaim is the one you don't have to renew. And setting it up is also very simple. So this screen here shows you the rule builder inside Cloud Eagle. You can pick the app, set the trigger, say not logged in for 60 days. You schedule it to run weekly or monthly and choose whether people get heads up email first, and you can just like set it up once and it runs on its own. The second move is right sizing the tier. Your usage data shows who sits on the premium SKU without ever touching the premium features. Think of someone paying for Microsoft 365 E5 version of it all, right? Who only ever uses the E3. So you can move that person down to E3, the tier they actually need, and you can bring that to the renewal as a hard number, right? Exactly the tier that each user needs and nothing above it. So you can see all of this on the next screen here. Yeah, this is the license detail view in Cloud Eagle. For every SKU, you can see licenses bought, user provisioned, how much they have been used over the 90 days, and the unit price. The E5 cost per seat costs obviously more per seat than the E3, and the bars show you how many of those premium seats are barely getting touched. And this gap right there is your evidence that you take to your renewal conversations. Now, to make sure none of it slips through, Cloud Eagle has an agent called Eagle Eye. You might wonder how it knows all of your dates. It reads your contracts with AI and pulls out the renewal notice and opt out terms on its own. And then it tracks every one of them and reminds you before the deadline lands. And the best part is that you can just ask it questions in plain English. You can ask how much you can save this quarter, who's using what, which renewals are coming up, and it answers straight from your live data. And this is what it ends up surfacing: a renewal card. Uh, Eagle Eye has already pulled in the key dates out of the contract. So you can see the renewal coming up, the date, the apps, the spend, a flag that a few of those apps are barely used, and the suggested next steps. It might also tell you to message the owner, kick off a renewal workflow, or go find a cheaper option instead, right? And all of it is pulled for you, not typed into a spreadsheet. So that's four of the five pieces. Now, the last one is the market. Cloud Eagle gives you real time price benchmarks, so you know what comparable companies pay by SKU before you get on the call. Those benchmarks come from SaaS Map, which maps 150,000 vendors and AI tools. It's refreshed every week by our AI and ML models, and it's grounded in what our on the ground experts and real buyers are actually seeing. So the number you get is current and it's real, and you can trust it. This next screen shows it for one of our vendors. Uh, these are the pricing benchmark using Microsoft 365 as an example, right? You can see it broken down by tier, by business, business basic, standard, premium, and what each one runs per user per month. So when the vendor quotes you, you already know where the number sits against the market. So for any vendor, Cloud Eagle also lays out the discount levers you can actually pull. Things like committing to seat growth, signing a longer agreement, or timing the deal to their year end. Microsoft is just an example that we have taken over here. And each lever is scored for how much it actually moves the price. So your team walks in knowing exactly which ones are worth pushing on. Now, if your team does not have the bandwidth for all of this, we also have people who will do it for you. So, we have human negotiation experts who will step in as an extension for your procurement team. This is a real person who runs the negotiation and not a bot. And they will go after savings you can actually keep. Because a headline discount that gets refunded a year later still means that you overpaid all year, right? So our experts work with the actual renewal and land the savings on the deal itself. So this is where most of the renewals start today. All you've got is public benchmarks and nothing else. The renewal sneaks up on you and you end up arguing with the vendor's opening number. So you overpay and the vendor sets the price and not you. Now, with Cloud Eagle, you walk in with all of it. You've got your real usage, the seeds you've reclaimed, the tiers you've right sized, the real benchmarks, and the right price to aim for. So you land on a right number and not the vendors. Everything you need for the negotiation is all in one place, and that's how you actually optimize your SaaS spend. So if any of these feel relevant to your what your team is dealing with, reach out and book a demo with us. We're happy to walk you through it on your own and like see it on your own stack and see what you could be saving, right? So yeah, thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one.